Selamat dating, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart and soul of Indonesian cuisine, exploring the unknown facts and secrets behind a beloved dish, bubur ayam. If you thought you knew everything about this comforting porridge, think again. Stick around as we uncover the mysteries that make bubur ayam truly special. The origins. Before we jump into the hidden facts, let's quickly revisit the origins of bubur ayam. This Indonesian rice porridge has a rich history, tracing its roots back to Chinese congee. Over time, it evolved into a unique dish with local flavors and ingredients. Surprising ingredients. Now, here's the first unknown fact: the surprising ingredients that go into bubur ayam. While the base is rice porridge, the toppings are what make it truly distinctive. From shredded chicken, fried soybeans, and crispy shallots to celery, green onions, and a dash of sweet soy sauce, each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating that perfect balance of flavors. Regional variations. Did you know that bubur ayam can vary significantly from one region to another in Indonesia? Different provinces have their own unique twists on this classic dish. For example, in Jakarta, you might find a heartier version with more toppings, while in Java, it could be more soupy with a focus on the rice porridge itself. Cultural significance. Beyond its delicious taste, bubur ayam holds deep cultural significance in Indonesia. It's not just a dish, it's a symbol of comfort, togetherness, and hospitality. Families often gather around a bowl of bubur ayam during special occasions, making it an integral part of Indonesian celebrations. Street food phenomenon. One of the most fascinating aspects of bubur ayam is its prominence in Indonesia's street food scene. Whether you're in a bustling market or a quiet alley, you're likely to find a street vendor serving up this warm and flavorful dish. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. Medicinal properties. Now, here's a fascinating twist. Bubur ayam isn't just a tasty dish, it also boasts some medicinal properties. The combination of rice porridge and the various toppings creates a dish that's easy on the stomach and often recommended for those recovering from illness. It's not just comfort food, it's a remedy. Secret family recipes. Many Indonesian families guard their bubur ayam recipes like precious treasures. Each household often has its secret blend of spices and unique twists that make their version stand out. It's a tradition passed down through generations, creating a tapestry of diverse flavors across the archipelago. Bubur ayam innovations. In recent years, innovative twists on bubur ayam have emerged. From bubur ayam martabak, where the porridge is enclosed in a thin layer of martabak skin, to bubur ayam risotto, which infuses Italian flavors into this Indonesian classic. Chefs and home cooks alike are constantly finding new ways to reinvent and celebrate this dish. Bubur ayam in popular culture. Bubur ayam has transcended its culinary role and made its way into popular culture. It's not uncommon to find references to bubur ayam in Indonesian literature, music, and even movies. Its presence in everyday life extends beyond the plate and into the hearts of the people. International recognition. While bubur ayam is a beloved Indonesian dish, it's gaining international recognition as well. Food enthusiasts around the world are discovering the unique combination of flavors and textures that make bubur ayam a standout dish. It's a testament to the global appeal of Indonesian cuisine. Bubur ayam rituals. In many Indonesian households, preparing bubur ayam is not just about the ingredients, it's a ritual. Families often have specific traditions, from the way they chop the ingredients to the order in which they add the toppings. These rituals are passed down through generations, creating a sense of continuity and shared heritage. Bubur ayam festivals. Believe it or not, there are festivals dedicated solely to bubur ayam. In certain regions, communities come together to celebrate this beloved dish, showcasing different variations, hosting cooking competitions, and fostering a sense of camaraderie among bubur ayam enthusiasts. Bubur ayam and social media. In the age of social media, bubur ayam has become a star in its own right. Instagram, TikTok, and other platforms are filled with aesthetically pleasing images and videos of beautifully presented bubur ayam. It's not just about the taste. It's a visual feast that has captured the attention of food influencers worldwide. Bubur ayam challenges. Speaking of social media, there have been bubur ayam challenges that have gone viral. From speed eating competitions to creative topping challenges, people from different corners of the internet have found entertaining ways to engage with this dish. It's a testament to the fun and versatile nature of bubur ayam. There you have it, folks, the unknown facts behind Indonesian bubur ayam. From its diverse ingredients to regional variations and cultural significance, this dish is a true culinary gem. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of bubur ayam, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, let us know in the comments if there's another dish you'd like us to uncover the secrets of. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy eating!